Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to clean off that blue that gets all over your white leather seats if you have any, or seats in general. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth. I'm going to use some of this 3-in-1 spray. So I kind of zoom out a little bit here. What I do is I just spray some on the rag, on my microfiber cloth. Get it in there. Just kind of rub it. Down there. And as you can see, a little side by side, I'll kind of zoom in a little bit here so you can see the blue versus the white. It takes it off. Plus, this has a really cool, that soft leather smell in it, so it makes everything smell like leather. The reason I like this too is because that fine holes you see in my seats, heated and cooled seats, it doesn't clog up the holes. So, put it on here. It doesn't clog up the holes at all, which some other stuff will. It doesn't make it slippery. It's all natural. It's only about 20 bucks a bottle or something like that. So, and get all off, and good as new. So that's today's quick tip video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, leave some comments, and as always, have fun driving your car.